If you want to know, guys, where is Duotone option, guys, on Canva, is located on Canva, all you have to do is select your image and click the top to edit photo and scroll down to this effect and section and click on the white arrow to open the rest of the effect. Now you will find the Duotone option. After that you can apply any color effect from Duotone, your photo as you want. And guys, thanks for watching this video, and don't skip subscribe to my channel for more content, and click the white arrow, the open rest and effect. You will find the Duotone option, and simple, and app or desktop, guys, the same method you can use to get this option and Duotone and Canva. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. Don't skip, like, share this video for more content about Canva. See you on another video.